Now we came to the second method in the Nikilam. Okay, this is cross subtraction method. Okay, first one we have seen the direct method. Now we are seeing cross subtraction method. Now we take the numbers 8 and 7. These are the two numbers which we need to multiply. Now write the Nikilam here. Here 8's Nikilam is minus 2. This will be minus 3. Right? Here 8's Nikilam is minus 2. This will be minus 3. Why? Because here we considering base as 10. Now what we need to do? You need to subtract this from this or this from this. Both will be same. Here 7 minus 2 which is 5 or 8 minus 3 which is 5. Okay, you write 5 and multiply these two. 2 into 3 is 6. That's it. Simple, right? Now this number 13 into 14, right? And here the Nikilam value will be plus 3. Here it is plus 4, right? Why? Because base value 10 plus 3 equal to 13. Base value 10 plus 4 equal to 14. That is how we write these values. Okay, this plus 3 corresponds to 13, plus 4 corresponds to 14. Now here we have done subtraction, right? Here we have done subtraction. Here we need to do addition. Add this with this or this with this. Both are same. So 14 plus 3 will be 17. Now 3 into 4, that will be 12. So 281. 182 will be the answer. Now again 13 into 8. 13 into 8. Here this will be plus 3. Here this will be minus 2. Here if you subtract 13 minus 2, that will be 11, or 8 plus 3, that will also be 11. You can do anything. So it is 11. 3 into 2, 6, but the value will be minus. So what you need to do? You need to subtract 1 from this. So this value, whole value will decrease by 1, and the remaining base you need to subtract this 6. So base minus 6 will be 4. So that value will be 4. 1 or 4 will be the answer. Okay. This, whenever the signs are opposite, at that time you need to be careful. Okay. You can 13 minus 2 or 8 plus 3. That thing you can do. After writing here, the product value of plus 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6. But you need to subtract this from this value. If you borrow 1 from this, so its value decreased by 1. So here 10 will come. Then from the base value you need to minus this. Base value is 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. That you need to write. Okay. Now we go for this one. 97 into 92. 97 into 92. So this will be minus 3 minus 8. Right? You can do this minus this or this minus this. 92 minus 3, how much? It will be 89. Or 97 minus 8, how much? It will be 89. 89. Here 3 into 8, that is equals to 24. This will be the answer. Now we go for the second one. 107 into 102. Here this will be plus 7, this will be plus 2, right? You can do this plus this or this plus this. Both are same. Okay, anything you can do. I am doing 1 or 2 plus 7, that will be 109, and 7 into 2s are 14. We are writing it within no time, right? Okay, I am taking the another one. 104 into 98. Here this will be plus 4, this will be minus 2. Okay, everything remember I am taking base as 100. Okay, 100 plus 4 will be 104, 100 minus 2 will be 98. Okay, that was simple. You can do 98 plus 104 or 104 minus 102. Anything is fine. So 98 plus 104 will be 102. 102. Then 4 into 2. 4 into 2 will be 8. We need to do minus. Okay. Now see here. When you are subtracting this minus 8 from this value, you need to take borrow. So this value will be decreased by 1. So it will be 101. Now in the base you need to subtract this. So from 100 if you subtract 8 means it will be 92. So this will be the value. If you want you can check with the calculator. Then we will move on to solving these big numbers. The most awaited one. 989 into 988. Here the base value is 1000. Now here the Nikilum value will be plus minus 11 minus 12. Okay, right? Now you can do it this minus this or this minus this. 989 minus 12. How much? It will be 977, right? 977. 989 minus 12 will be 977. You can do 988 minus 11 also. There is no issues. And 11 into 12. 11 into 12 will be 132. Just one subtraction and one multiplication. You get the big number multiplication. That is the magic here, okay? And if same signs, then you don't bother, because minus into minus anyway it will be plus. Now we take another number 1009 into 1007. This will be plus 9, this will be plus 7. You can do this plus this or this plus this. 1009 plus 7. 1016. 9 into 7, 63. Here the base is 1000, that is why I need to write with the 0 value, because we need to fill 3 digits here. Why? Because in 1000 there will be 3 zeros, that is why we need to fill 3 zeros here. Here if you assume, if you see 132 came, because here unit digit is filled, 100 digit is, tens digit filled, 100 digits also filled. Here only units and tens are filled, 100 is not filled, that is why we need to include 0 also, because the base is 1000. Now we take another one, 1004 into 989. Here this will be plus 4, this will be minus 11. Okay, you can do this minus this or this plus this, both are same. So this will be 993 and minus 44. So here we need to subtract this from this, so this value will be decreased by 1, so this will be 992, and we need to subtract the base value, this from the base value, so 1000 minus 44, it's 956. Understand, right? What we are doing here we need to subtract this value from this, so this value, if you give 1 borrow, this value will become 1 less, so this will become 992, and from 1000 we are subtracting 44, this will be 956. That 956 we have written here. By this we can write multiplication of any single digit number or double digit number or triple digit number within no time. This is the efficiency of the ancient Indian mathematics. Okay, previously from thousands of years this has been following, not in the traditional system, but many coaching centers, online coaching centers, many schools who teach especially Vedic mathematics, they teach this kind of multiplication. Why? Because it enables a student to do faster calculation, it enables to do a student to give 100% accurate answers. That is the only reason I am giving you, I am teaching you this. Okay, by using this you can multiply any number within no time. Please do share my videos and please do subscribe to my channel, and for any doubt you please post in the comment section. I will go through that comment section and I will revert you back. Thank you for following my video lectures.